These are nature highlights from my trip to the Landes Estuary. I decided to go with the English pronunciation there. So we're in France, we're on the west coast. This is a cattle egret. Knows what its job is, it's sticking near the cattle. I'm going to keep quiet generally for the rest of this video, and I'll just introduce each time what we can see. This is an overview of the lake. You can hear gulls and Cetti's warbler. This is a typically brief view of a water rail, so I slowed it down. These are Avocets. Plovers and Dunlins. Black-headed gulls. Godwits. Well, mainly Godwits. A close-up of a Godwit. And to finish off, here's a little egret preening, and in the foreground there's a coot feeding.